Hello, good evening everyone. I think it's a little bit late. However, just I wanted to stay on the stream as 2020 is about to end, and obviously there will be New Year from tomorrow. So I just wanted to have a chat for a couple of minutes. That's why I'm here. So today, obviously, what I'm gonna talk about is just bit of cryptocurrency things. I'm gonna choose a couple of cryptocurrencies for 2021. If it gives kind of benefit. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. I'm not gonna be for a long period of time, obviously. So it will be short and sweet. Right, so if you're gonna have a look, the price of Bitcoin, obviously it's all-time high. If you're gonna have a look here, so right, so the current price of Bitcoin is 29,000. So it is kind of all-time high. So let's have a look weekly. Yeah, so the all-time high mark is 29,000. So obviously anyway, just it is the educational purpose only. Okay, so for, please do not take otherwise. So I'm not an advisor, so I can't really advise to anything, okay, for your investment or anything like that. Okay, so just for educational purpose. So I'm gonna break down Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum and XRP. Okay, so yeah, again, I'm thinking of Bitcoin rally is gonna go up to 32 is maybe 32,500 or 32,800. So let's have a look at the chart. Okay, what you can see here is quite bullish spike that you can see. So obviously there is no any sign or symptoms of bearish moment. So it is very strong. It may go up to 32, maybe 40,000. Who knows? But what I'm thinking is up to 32,500 mark. Okay, so let's see by 2021. People have said it could go or it could reach to 120,000. But I'm not pretty much sure. I can't say. That depend on the people who are going to invest in Bitcoin. Okay, so obviously if you're gonna have a look the chart on the monthly timetable, it is quite strong. So impulse is there, and I don't think it will gonna go back or it will start to retrace or pull back soon. I don't think so. Let's see, going into the weekly chart. Right, so if you're gonna have a look on the weekly chart, what you can see is obviously there are two red candles. Okay, so those two candles here you can see. So they have created the liquidate before they suited up. So I'm thinking of in the future when the big boss the big dogs, should I say, so when they start to pull their profit, the market literally come back and retest those areas. Okay, so this is the zone here. Okay, this is the zone where the market was consolidated for couple of weeks. So here you can see it may pull back to that zone, and it may shoot back. Let's see and have a look on the daily chart. Right, again, if you're gonna have a look on the daily timetable here, what you can see is the place I just marked, that place over there, and the other one is there. Okay, this area over there. Right, the market may start to pull back soon, or maybe after when the price reaches to 33,000 or 33, but when they start to pull back, obviously it should be able to come and retest those areas there. Anyway, why do I think it may come down to this area? Because it has already created the WNM formation, which is here. Okay, this place here, it is the formation of W, overextended W formation is there. So whenever you see overextended W formation in the chart, obviously what you can do, the market will come back and retest that place over there or up to the neckline. Okay, so what I'm thinking is it is being overextended, so it may come back and retest that place over there. Okay, so if it manages to break, obviously it may come back to that location over there, and then it may retest over there. Okay, which is 19,000 price mark. Obviously I can't tell, but that depends on the people who are investing in Bitcoin, and those are the market makers, and I don't think very soon, but if in case the market will start to pull back, obviously that's the downside mark or place I'm looking at, so it could go back here. So if I see if it pulls back to this level over there, this zone, then when I see the environment is again bullish, then I might go for it. Okay, I might go for it. Anyway, that's entirely up to you. It is not not the financial advice. I don't know whether you like to hold for the future, or if you'd like to trade. That's entirely up to you. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, when the price of Bitcoin will pull back to this level, I might buy some. Okay, and here as well. So that's entirely up to you. Okay, let's have a look at the other coin. Right, the Ethereum. The current price of Ethereum is 739. Obviously, when it goes when the Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are correlated to each other. So when the Bitcoin moves, Ethereum moves. Okay, so when Bitcoin pulls back, obviously Ethereum does. So they are correlated. So when the price of Bitcoin will rise, obviously Ethereum price will go up as well. So Ethereum is my second best coin, but I don't know if you like or not. But you have to resource it. Okay, so let's have a look Ethereum, what we can see. Right, here you can see again talking about on the daily chart. Obviously what you can see, same as Bitcoin, you can see overextended W here. So this is overextended W here. Okay, so again when you see like this, price should come and retest that area over there. So this is the zone here. So when it pulls back to that location there, that zone, obviously if I see bullish movement, obviously I might go for long. Okay, so at the moment I'm not planning to go for a short. However, when it comes to that zone, obviously I may look for a longing opportunity. Okay, that's what you can do. but the this is for only educational purpose. That's what you need to think about. Again, the other one is XRP. Obviously, I have already mentioned about XRP, since the SEC complained, about that. So it has gone down 0.22. Still, it may go down to like 10 cents or below. So I think that's the best price. It is still best price in terms of like when the when there was a bull run for cryptocurrencies in 2017. Obviously it was like 350. Okay, so now you can see 0.22 cent. It is still a good price to buy. So I'm looking at buying when it goes below 10 cent. Okay, so that's entirely up to you. And I would like to touch about Link. This is also one of the best cryptocurrencies. So yeah, this is very new, but in terms of like the data collection in the future, like the government could use the Oracle system. So if they gonna use Link, the Oracle blockchain, obviously it will go boom. So in the future, yeah, this is one of the best coins I have chosen. Yeah, that's it. So that is all for cryptocurrencies. I hope you are doing well, and obviously from tomorrow it's gonna be 2021. So yeah, so stay safe. Corona is there, obviously. Yeah. So who else is watching? Right. Anyway, just for New Year, obviously wishing you a happy New Year with the hope that you will have many blessings in the year to come. So if you would like to go for trading, obviously get the knowledge, basic knowledge about the trading, and once you are fully confident, then you can go for a real account. Okay, so before you open your real account, I would suggest you to go and read, or go and do the training, get some knowledge, and once you are perfect, then you can go for it. Okay, so to become like the professional trader, obviously it will take time. Like you have to do the test, like going back to like a couple of years back, do the test over there. So replay test. So it is called like back test. So if you can do like back test for like 6 to 12 months, obviously you will become not the professional one, but the intermediate trader. So obviously you might have heard of those news, like 97 or 93 or 90% retail traders, they have lost their money. Why? Because of no knowledge at all. So basic knowledge is very important. Okay, at the same time the discipline as well. Okay, so risk and reward. So you have to have those skills beforehand, and you can go and then you can make some money. Okay, this is the place where you can earn unlimited money. That's what I'm saying, unlimited money. Why do you think unlimited money? Because all the central banks, all the banks around the world, hedge funds, institutional traders, they use so much huge amount of money, billions and trillions. Okay, so if you can follow those people, obviously you can be together, and then you will be hand-railing with those people with a big chunk of money. So you'll be collecting with them. Okay, so that's the best thing. Like you have to have that knowledge to follow those people. If you go against them, obviously you're going to be losing your money. Okay, so I would like to tell you that please, whenever you go and trade online with a real account, obviously stay in discipline. Okay, risk and reward is the most important part, and obviously you have to have the basic knowledge. Okay, so once you are confident, obviously there is a chance where you can earn millions and millions. Okay, wish you good luck for your future, and see you next year, which is tomorrow. So I might come back online tomorrow or in due course. So wherever you are, okay guys, stay safe. Okay, use your mask whenever you go out, and wash your hands for 20 seconds. And again, once more again, okay, wishing you all a very happy new year, with the hope that you will have many blessings in the year to come. Okay, wish you good luck.